It was a mind-blowing performance by Ananya. I think she needs a good hand of applause once again.
Normally I speak quite a lot, but today this young girl has made me speechless. I think I felt the goddess Saraswati, Lakshmi and Devi combined together have come down to the earth and dancing before us. This girl has to be felicitated, and she is, I would call her as the ambassador of Indian culture. And I also wish the parents and the grandfather, because she is a God's gift to you. Take care of her. Take care of her. She will soon be the greatest dancer of this great country called Bharat all over the world. And may the gods and goddesses shower their blessings on her. And all that I would like to pray to the gods is give her a long and healthy life. Because if she gets a long and healthy life, why they become alcoholic? Because they want to get a kick. I think a drink's dangerous to the health. You may get a kick, but without affecting your health. Come and see a performance of this girl, you will get a better kick than what you get from the drink. This is what I advise to my friends in Alcoholics Anonymous. She can get the kick, the required kick for a man wants, without affecting their health. And may God bless her, and let her be a no, I have to touch your feet. I have to touch your feet. You are the goddess. You are the goddess Saraswati, Lakshmi and Devi combined together. Appeared before us to bless us. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We join with your blessings and all. Next, I would like to call upon, we have with us at this moment our dear minister, Sri Ganesh Ji Naik. And as a guardian minister, I would like to call Minister onto the stage. Sir, please. Please come onto the stage. I request parents of Ananya, our dear Shangari, to give a bouquet of flowers to Minister, along with Minister, Mr. Shashi Damodaran, Chairman, NMT. Welcome, sir. On behalf of parents of Ananya Group, I welcome you all.
अनन्या ग्रुप क्लासिकल डांस करके अपना रिकॉर्ड प्रस्थापित करना चाहती हैं और हमें सचमुच सब कार्यक्रम छोड़ के उसको आशीर्वाद देने को मैं इधर आया हूं। इतने छोटी उम्र में ऐसे क्लासिकल जिसको टेक्निक है, ऐसे नृत्य में अपनी एक बहादुरी दिखाना साधारण बात नहीं है। विधायक और इस जिला का गार्जियन मिनिस्टर और स्टेट का मिनिस्टर के तौर पे मैं आप सबको धन्यवाद देता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।
Thank you, sir.
स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण